Merhaba. Hi to all our Turkish friends and barista. It's a big honor for me today to join this edition of the Istanbul Coffee Summit 2021. And I introduce myself. I am Matteo Gıovannangeli, responsible of Victoria Arduino for the Turkish market. And I'm here today at the Victoria Arduino headquarters to talk about what is the future of our coffee machines. Since 1905, Victoria Arduino has been always striving for delivering great design coffee machines with advanced technology for providing excellent extraction and make the barista routine easier. In 2015, we launched the Black Eagle. This machine was inspired by the first specialty coffee community that understood how difficult it is to do espresso well and consistently. It has been a game-changing machine in terms of design and most of all in terms of accuracy, with its built-in Gravitech weighing sensor and the T3 multiple boiler technology. Thanks to its temperature stability, Black Eagle has been also selected as official espresso coffee machine for the World Barista Championship, the top league for barista in the whole world. Nowadays, specialty coffee community is a much larger one. This new generation of shops has consistently to cope with changing scenarios, see the pandemic for example, and financial sustainability. For this reason, Victoria Arduino decided to create a coffee machine that would be more accessible and efficient, but without compromising on performance and on quality. We needed to rethink our espresso coffee machine also in terms of connectivity and design to match the needs of new generation. So welcome to the new era of espresso coffee machine. Welcome to the world of Eagle One.
It's hard to talk about what coffee is for me since it became my job.
Coffee started as a job to me, but it became so quickly my life.
It's a place I can always explore and taste new things, and it's also one of the easiest things to make for another person that's just like a beautiful, simple gesture.
Eagle One is the beginning of a new era of design and espresso coffee machine.
For me, Eagle One is a chance to engage with the newer world of specialty coffee. It's spread from the major cities to every community around the world, every city around the world.
Sustainability means use of energy, space saving, new materials, accessibility.
So for me right now, it's finding the way that's the least wasteful, the most efficient to do great coffee. That's a problem worth solving. We have to be more responsible about how we chase down great coffee in our businesses. We have to be less wasteful.
The space in the coffee shops nowadays is getting more and more important. So all the project design engineers need to have in mind to develop compact coffee machines to meet the new space.
When you're considering the materials that go into a coffee machine, I think it's important not just to consider how recyclable those materials are, but how do they impact the energy usage of the machine.
Technology of the Eagle One has been developed to make it accessible to all coffee community, from professional to new experienced baristas.
Innovation for me is about discovering important problems and solving them. Innovation is not just new things, it's not just new ideas for the sake of novelty. It's about honing in on the challenges that we face as an industry and fixing those, solving those in new and interesting ways.
NEO means New Engine Optimization, and this is the base of the Eagle One concept.
And I think that's a really great name for the technology, not just because it's an anagram of one, but because it is a genuinely new approach, a more optimal approach to heating water for brewing espresso.
You will see a very different machine, a very different engine inside. There will be new materials for boiler, there will be new pressures inside the system, there will be new material for insulation. Everything has been designed to be more compact, to be more performance, and to respect more the environment.
One of the really fun things about Eagle One is that the way the panels are constructed, it means it's actually incredibly easy to customize it. You could make your back panel out of almost any material and very easily attach it. So you can really customize, tailor this machine to your environment, to your cafe so easily. And I think we're going to see some very cool stuff in the future. I think when it comes to design, it's important not to ignore the heritage a brand or a company might have. Victoria Arduino has a huge, long heritage. It's over 100 years old. That's rare and that's unusual. So I think it's important to occasionally pay attention to the past, to what came before, but not necessarily try and replicate that again. Be influenced by your past, own your past, but take it in a new direction. That's, I think, the idea behind the design.
Designing One has been a big challenge for me because it means rethinking all the engine and all the frame of the machine to create the best user experience for the baristas. Big innovation in a compact space. This is Eagle One.
I've been working with Victoria Arduino, I think, for 9 years or so now, and this is, I think, the third project that I've worked on, and for me, probably the most exciting. It's the one that's the biggest in scope and has the largest potential for a huge positive impact on our industry.
The future of coffee starts from here.
Eagle One, future begins.
So, as we said before, welcome to the new era of Espresso coffee machine. Welcome to the world of Eagle One. And let's start talking about Eagle One more in details. So, we start from why Eagle One is born. Eagle One is born for a reflection to the new generation of coffee shops, where the design, the performance, and the sustainability are key factors to create a pleasant coffee experience. So actually, Eagle One was inspired from London. London is the city that inspired Eagle One to the whole world because we involved the coffee community and into a new era of specialty coffee. And in fact, the new generation of coffee shop need to cope with small spaces and have a strong sense of energy preservation. Eagle One is thought for them. So what is the main target of Eagle One? So Eagle One is mainly dedicated to the coffee chains, to the specialty coffee shops, to the micro roaster, with a great sense toward the result in the cup and in the environmental and in the financial economic sustainability. So the philosophy is at the center of the Eagle One project. Let's say that sustainability is also at the center of the philosophy of Victoria Arduino, that it's entirely based on that. It is our essential value and involves the machine entirely in balancing ease of use, in minimal lines, and also in waste reduction for reducing the environmental impact. And then what James Hoffman said, what we are trying to do is to create technologies that help you simplify, to help you simply ergonomically and repeatably to make a great coffee, to deliver temperature, deliver the water that you exactly need, as you need it, in a way that is fun, easy, and quick to use. That's the real goal. So these are the words of our coffee opinion leader, James Hoffman. Let's go further with the presentation. So we talk about sustainability. As we said, Eagle One is also a concept that is based on innovative technology and is detail oriented, with the new materials that help to maximize the thermal insulation, with the neo technology that is focused on energy saving optimization, and with the new exclusive and patented system that is the so-called terz, that is able to recover the use energy. These are all factors that help us to lower the environmental impact of our machine in comparison also to the machine of the same category. So now we go more into the details of what is NEO, what does NEO technology means. So NEO means new engine optimization, and it is a technology based on instant heating that use only the energy needed where requested and without preheating. Let's see more into the details what we are talking about. The new technology is a new approach in heating the water, and is completely different from the all other traditional coffee machine. First of all, the Neo is equipped with a new boiler material and also with a unique pressure system. And these are implemented with individual elements with insulation. Then the Neo engine use the instant heating technology that requires, of course, a smaller amount of water and also a smaller size of boilers, because it heats up only the necessary amount of water to have your cup of coffee. Then the stainless steel boiler help to insulate better, and are covered as well with an innovative materials that prevents the heat dissipation and increase as well the energy efficiency, so that the process is much more efficient, and then it's much more straightforward. Why that? Because with the display, the barista can set the temperature of the boiler and of the coffee boilers, and the machine electronic system does simply the rest and keep always the temperature very much stable for the dispensing water. So productivity and performance remain the same, and the consumption is strongly decreased. So now we talk about the next technology, that is the terz. You cannot see the full word on the left side on the screen. What is terz? Terz is a very interesting technology. First of all, is a technology that reduces the total consumption of the coffee machine up to 8%. So terz stands for thermal energy recovery system, that transform the drain water, the heat of the drain water, into energy to preheat the incoming water. So let's say all these technologies are helping us to have less impact on the energy emission, and up to the 23% of CO2 emission, and it's lowering the consumption of the machine in comparison with the machine of the competition up to the 35%. So now let's go more into details for the whole set of features that we have in the new Eagle One. So we will talk about the steam, we will talk about the group, the new materials, what are the optional and the display. So first of all, I want to say that this machine has been built to guarantee and to maximize the user experience. So let's say all these features we are talking about has the objective to provide precision, simplicity of use, easier maintenance, performance, ergonomics, and a better barista interaction. So let's start talking about the steam. Let's move to the next slide. So the steam module is the brand new steam by wire. It's a new lever designed for Victoria Arduino, more ergonomic, and is equipped with an electronic control system that simplifies and accelerates the use of the steam wand. And it provides also less maintenance. Even the steam wand has a new design completely that help us to use this with any kind of different size of pictures, and with the cool touch technology help us to prevent from injuries like small burns. Then it also comes with a dedicated purge space on the tray that help us to reduce the risk of burning and splashes all over the counter. So let's go further with the presentation, and now we will talk about the Easy Cream system. So what is Easy Cream? First of all, let's say that during peak time, it is crucial to concentrate on providing to the customer the best customer experience. So for this reason, some operation should be directly managed by the machine, such as, for example, the milk frothing. And Easy Cream technology help us to froth the milk automatically at the desired temperature. So once the wand is inside the milk pitcher and we start the button to start the frothing, the system start injecting the mix of air and steam to create micronized bubbles and to create the milk cream. Then the temperature probe allows to control the settings and control the temperature of the milk. So while the nozzle, which is specially developed on top of the steam wand, is creating a vortex similar to the one that the barista hand is doing, in order to better have to have a better milk silk texture. So then the milk doesn't enter the steam wand, so this guarantees hygiene and cleaning simplicity. So the Easy Cream function can also be activated while the machine is making espresso, in order to make drink preparation faster. Next, we will talk more into details about how the steam works. So we have actually up to 4 different settings. So we have, if we have 2 Easy Cream system, we can calibrate in each steam lever 2 different Easy Cream settings, so that we can use up to 4 different milks. And then on the other side of the slide, you see the purge activator and deactivator, in order to always have a clean steam wand. And the same activator is used as well for the hot water, where you have 2 settings for 2 different amount of hot water. So now we talk about the steam pressure of the main boiler. So Eagle One is a revolutionary machine. Why? Because it works with a standard pressure of 2.1 bars in comparison with the traditional machine that works with the pressure bar of 1.2 bars. Why that is better? What is the benefit of that? Having such high pressure with the stainless steel boiler, it allows us, it guarantees a better steaming quality with much drier steam that enable the barista to provide and froth high quality milk cream in much less time. Next features we're gonna talk is the group head. So the group head as well has been changed, and there is a new group that is also installed with the ghost display, that when during the extraction it will show up the brewing time. And over there we have three different programmable key buttons. The ghost display is very well integrated in the group head, and simplifies the cleaning procedure, and with the stainless steel shower as well, that has been reinforced in the stainless steel group head basket, we guarantee much longer durability and simplicity in cleaning these parts. Going further, then we have another extremely important feature, and we are talking about the auto purge. Eagle One is built in with integrated auto purging system, that each time we brew coffee, it will automatically clean the shower once the portafilter is unhooked. Um, it also uses only the necessary amount of water to clean the shower. So it means that it guarantees maximum hygiene, significant durability, and on top of that, it will save a lot of water as well. Going further, then we can talk about the materials. All the parts of Eagle One are made with recyclable materials. The front panel, lower back panel, extractable drip tray, and the full jet cup warmer are all made with stainless steel. The profile, the back panel, the front side group head, and the steam wand lever, and the eagle behind in the back side are made in aluminium. That means much lighter weight. Then next important feature in term also of ease of use is the new display, the new touch display that is 2.8 inches, and with a lot of function. I mean, the available function are of course recipe and the power and temperature management, all the programming of the doses. The automatic cleaning can be set from the display, and also you can check all the maintenance alarm. So now we can have a better look of the Eagle One display, touch display. So you can see on the display the user can check the menu, the single group temperature, the dispensing time, the easy cream information if we have an easy cream built in, and as well the pressure and the connectivity of the machine. now it's also time to talk about connectivity in Eagle One. So sharing is a great innovation, actually, and it's something that is very much into the new attitude of new generation. So with the Bluetooth, we connect the machine with the Eagle One app. You can program doses in the app, the temperature, and the new setting where it is possible to see each group dispensing flow and compare it with the one desired. The app also let the user to make their own recipe and to share them remotely. Then let us give you a better detail on what is the My Victoria Arduino app. The app can connect one or more machines to keep track and modifying the settings without stopping the barista workflow. Then, last but not least, very important, the design of the machine. So the design of Eagle One is very simple, very minimal, and it has an adaptable design to try to respond to the different layout and the different personalities of the baristas as well. Thus, the machine is straightforward to customize and versatile to different type of shops, from the more classic ones to those more pop and glamour. Here we have a detail of the dimension of the machines. So big innovation is the compact space of Eagle One. So its compact size compared to the other machine of the same category allow Eagle One to fit even in the smaller counters without giving up on design and performance. The machine is also has been designed to be very customizable, even with different materials, from the natural type, like the wood for example, to the more technical type, such as the stainless steel, aluminium, or different kind of resin. So this is Eagle One. This is for us the future of coffee machines. Thank you for the dedicated time, and I hope to see you soon in Turkey. Bye from the Victoria Arduino headquarters.